Hell no, I remember that spot. I remember that minute when I took it off the clock. And I had to go up for the shot, but I couldn't make it. I wasn't good with the jump shot. I don't know your man, but he had a plot. Nigga hating on me, I moved out the spot. Different place, different moment, different hour. Bro pulled up, nigga, in a half an hour. Not your mans that you know, but the nigga I know. Who the fuck is this two of them? I don't know. Nigga hating on me, this how I really go. I never told on nobody, put it on the folks. Put it on the bloods, put it on the cribs. Nigga hating on me on some other shit. Hell nah, I ain't never dressed like this. Just put on some sweats and some warm-ups. Coach let me in, coach let me in. I'ma play, you ain't ready for the game then. Nigga hating on me, I hope I don't get hacked. Nigga hating on me, I hope I don't get hacked. Nigga buff ass nigga looking like he Shaq. Them shots start ringing off, bring it back. I ain't worried about your mans where I'm getting it at. Gotta strengthen up my muscle, hoping that I get it back. Oh shit, all wired up. I remember LimeWire, used to lining them up. Used to listen to the favorite song. Now I'm trying to make a song. Now I'm thinking about that good song I can make. But look, nigga, I'ma make you break all that bullshit you talking, man, in your face. Couldn't fight that good, but I had to fight, or they was gon' laugh at you and point that finger. I ain't worried about your right hand, man. What he on? Bring the stripes too. Let's wild west it too. Hell yeah, what your man's gon' do? We on the west side with it, with the south side with it. I'm a south side born baby, nigga hating that. I don't really give a fuck where you niggas playing it at. Hell yeah, can I call you? Probably won't call back. With the sleep fell off, dozed off after that. Niggas hating me, but it's gon' be part 3. Niggas mad at me with they gun, gon' strip them up. Listen here, can't join the crew, you done fucked up. Set a nigga up for that hoe, you done fucked up. Nigga, I ain't never tell on you, I just chose you. Bitch, nigga hating on me, this is what it do. You couldn't play a part of this, what you gon' do? Set him on the recipe and get him with a partner. Nigga, wake up, you ain't even with us. You just tryna set us up and stick us all up. Bitch, I know that face, I remember that face from somewhere. Feeling like that pretty nigga from Nino Brown movie. Nigga hating on me, what you gon' do? Ain't gon' put a knife on my hand, I got that 1-2. Shoot his ass in the courtroom, what he gon' do? Nigga, hope they don't search me when I bring it through. Nah, nigga, this ain't state property, nigga. What you mean? You couldn't save the property, nigga. I ain't worried about your mans, I ain't worried about the plane. Just watching some old movie, eating popcorn, man. I don't know butter made, but I had to make it made. I don't know, chillin' back, got no shades. Niggas mad at me cause they couldn't change their ways. I don't even know, cut off their hair, look at the waves. Fuck you, fuck your right hand, man. I remember when we tried to go and get that brand bummy ass clothes, but I still kept a nice lineup, haircut. But we going to hoop, you know when it used to be cheap. Yeah, hot Cheetos in a motherfucking what up, hot Cheetos and the slushies, nigga. You know, cause we gotta get this money. We don't care, I used to sit on the sideline, watch my cousins hoop. I used to crack the jokes, and I figure out it's not a joke. Fuck around with me, you will get smoked. Nigga smoking on that and the dope told me don't do the product, be the product. Make sure that product be the product. I don't understand you, or you thinking I'm a fiend, bitch, I sold it before, and I never be caught with a victim. Nigga hating on me, nigga Candyman in love with them hoes. I was trying to make sure she wasn't a victim though. Hey, but he a sick man and a sick man. Hey, I heard you looking for Candyman, bitch.